Well, as you guys know, I have been planting a lot lately and growing a lot of things. Oh yeah, we got some new things going too, and it's been a lot of trial and error. And I also have worms now. But I got a question for y'all because I'm about to take it from here to here. So we got our plants, but what about our eggs? And you see this big square? Well, this is my staircase, and under the staircase is where I plan to put my chicken coop. Don't mind the kayak, that's going away. But we have a concrete slab, and this is 5 foot by 5 foot. And that is where I want to essentially build a 5 by 5 foot thing in here to where the chickens can go in, lay their eggs. There'll be a door here, and I'm going to use not chicken mesh, but what is it called? Hardware cloth or something like that. It's a lot more durable. It'll keep the predators out, and I will have them safe in here. And then I will also be putting that same hardware cloth on this. So they're gonna be in 2 levels of protection. That's the first one. And the second one is essentially going to be put on here, which gives them another about 3 feet by 8 feet on the sides and in the back. And there'll be another door here. So they're gonna have 2 doors. One here, probably like a ramp going up to that door, and then another door here, which are automatic closing. And the door here on the outside is actually gonna have a laser on it that counts the chickens going in and out, so that way no chicken is ever left behind and becomes a victim of the raccoons. I'll probably be moving, I will be moving the Range Rover and maybe create some kind of chicken run. We're gonna have the water in here, the dust bath thing. I'm going to probably close this in and give them a space to play around in here where they'll have some snacks. I might have a little worm farm, a little bit of a, what are those things called? Soldier flies, or some kind of big larvae that turns into a fly. I'll probably put a box out here and grow them, and they'll fall out and the chickens can eat fresh, delicious larvae. So I want to build a chicken coop in here. You know, a little starter one. I won't have a lot of chickens. Maybe start with 4 chickens, maybe 6 max, but that's how I want to start. I'm gonna put some solar panels up there to power the doors. I have this shed here that would actually be an epic chicken coop. I got my water connection there. This might be like a part 2 project, but I wanna start small, and I wanna start here, and I want you guys to help me out. Anytime I post a video that is not fishing, after all, this is the South Florida fishing channel, but anytime I post a video that has nothing to do with chickens, fishing, it just doesn't get the views that I need to pay my editors and all the time that I put into these videos. So I'm asking you guys for help here. I have created an Amazon shopping wish list that I'm going to link in the video description below. And if you click on my wish list, I've put everything in a list that I need to build this chicken coop. And if you order something on my wish list, I will create a sign for my coop that's gonna have everybody's names on it that bought something for the chicken coop. So you will forever be ingrained in the life of this chicken coop. I also have other things on my wish list that I'm gonna use to make videos with. So anything that gets ordered on my wish list, I'll give you a shout out and I'll be turning it into a video. If you have chickens and you got any advice for me, let me know. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna get rid of these rocks, bring out all the rocks. I don't know, what should I put down here? I'm definitely gonna close the roof off so it doesn't rain on them. What kind of chickens should I get? I want all sorts of eggs. I want colorful eggs, I want blue eggs, I want white eggs, brown eggs. I wanna have some fun with my chickens. I have a bunch of leftover wood that I'm probably going to use to try to build this. I'll go and buy wood if I have to, but I'll try to use what I have for now. I'll probably put some wiring too on the bottom of the staircase and bring it out here so the chickens will also be able to hang out down here. Probably take the rocks out, maybe put in some dirt, maybe plant some seeds so little greeneries we'll be trying to grow here that the chickens can eat. And I'll probably do that same exact thing on this side of the chicken fence. Might get rid of this palm tree, then just fence it in, and this will be like a little fun play area for the chickens. This is definitely going, that's not staying. But yes, what do you think about my new chicken coop? Leave a comment. I'm gonna be reading all the comments and looking at your guys' advice. And hopefully I'll get started building this next week sometime, once I get all the supplies I need and it's game time. Thanks so much guys for watching this video.